This is Sim Guy, and today is the PS4 unboxing, and this is the most anticipated game of November. Even though this month is December, finally I got the most anticipated game, an enemy game or whatever you want to call, and I have been waiting for 10 years. That's right, it's Final Fantasy 15. Oh God, I have waiting for this for 10 years, and I finally get this. So thank God I will finally get this. It's called Final Fantasy and owned by Square Enix. It's 16. I think it's for teens. It's day one edition, and all of them are, just I don't know what they said. And now let's open this, shall we? Wait, just a minute. Yes, finally open. Oh, and let's open. But first, I need to cover this. Okay, yup. Here's the disc, and here's a lot of pages. I wonder if there's a code. This is the new movie of the. Wait, this is the new movie of a Blu-ray Final Fantasy 15 Game Slave. I actually saw this trailer, but I don't know. But it's actually the same animation as that. Oh, and then we got this one. And we got Kingdom Hearts. There's Mickey Mouse there. And the design. Final Fantasy Zodiac Age. World of Final Fantasy. And they got, oh my God, online. Yeah. I don't know when the online will came out. And then we got just like this. Oh, and then we got this, but I cannot show you the code. And at the back, yeah, just oh, another one. Another code that is carted for product something. Still cannot show the code. And the season pass. And the book, which I didn't get it. And this one. All in Japanese. Yeah. Now let's put all of these. Even though I didn't play all Fantasy games, I didn't play all Final Fantasy franchise, but I think that's the first game that I had. Oh wait. Should cover this. Alright, this is the all pages and the disc. So this is all for the PS4 unboxing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.